Hey everybody, my name's Alesia Quante, and I'm here today to talk about my experience with Jason Duprat's Course Creator Academy. So I had never really thought about creating an online course until one day I was just relaxing on the couch on a day off. I'm a CRNA, work very hard at a GI center. And so I was watching this video that Jason was giving information about his course creator. And I started thinking about my desire to teach people how to become 1099. So, anyway, I have really always wanted to teach this on a larger scale, but didn't know how. And listening to Jason's Course Creator Academy, I realized there really wasn't a whole lot stopping me. Some things like time considerations that we're going to be required to invest concerned me a little bit, but I decided to back down my work schedule just slightly so that I could definitely have time to do it, because it is certainly something I knew in my heart I wanted to do. So when I started the course, I was very pleased. I was a week and a half behind. I was dedicated and I caught up, and Jason helped me. He also was there every step of the way if I had any questions. And thanks to him, 11 weeks later, I was able to launch my 1099 Success Academy online. And I'm in my second week now. I'm very happy with it. Everyone is enjoying it that is taking this class. Jason taught me how to locate the people who would want to take my class. And there are many, many, many people out there who do. So I'm living my dream. And I'm creating my course as I go along. But I've already created an outline and all the bedrock of my course, thanks to Jason. So he helped me understand the software that I would need. So I've presently been charging a little less than $1,000 for my course. It is an 8-week course. And so, as you can imagine, with my 13 students, I have padded my business account very nicely for a jumpstart on this. So I've been really happy with it. It's rewarding. It's financially rewarding. And I would encourage anyone who has that teacher inside of them that has something they want to pass on to the next guy that they find themselves doing anyway, to go ahead and consider taking Jason's course. So, and Jason has definitely, without him, I could have never done this. So, well, thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a good one.